How to pin post on Facebook page. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there's no way and there's no option for you to pin a post on a page using the normal Facebook app. Let me show you. If I go to my page and I tried, for example, to pin a post that I have created earlier, say for example this post, there is no way for me and there's no option to pin this post using the Facebook app. But luckily there's another easy workaround that we can use, which is simply you go back and open any browser you have, and then you request the desktop version, and you go to www.facebook.com. Make sure that it's this one, www.facebook.com, and not .m.facebook.com, because we want the desktop version, not the mobile version, because it is the only way to pin a post on a page using your mobile. Once you're here, once you went to that page and you're logged in, you need to go to your page just like you previously did on the app, and then we scroll down to the post that we wanted to pin. Let me zoom in a little bit, say for example this one, and let's try to pin this. Let's see what will happen. As you can see from this menu list that just popped, there's the option at the bottom that says pin to top of page, so click on it and let's refresh the page. Let's scroll down to that post, and as you can see, the post has now been pinned and it clearly says pinned post, which means it worked. So yeah, this is it, and unfortunately this is the only way to do so right now using your mobile device. So that was it for this video. That's how you can pin a post on a Facebook page. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.